Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by opening Quick Settings, swipe down from the top and look for Auto Rotate. Tap it once to toggle, but long press the icon to jump into the display shortcut. This is faster and more reliable. Once done, make sure the Auto Rotate tile is present. Otherwise, tap Edit and drag it into place so you don't repeat steps later. You're doing this to control how apps render content. Enabling the tile gives instant access without digging through settings each time. Once the Auto Rotate tile is visible, tap it to set a portrait orientation lock. You'll see the icon change to a padlock or portrait symbol indicating lock. Make sure to test by rotating the device and observing that the screen stays in portrait. That quick check verifies the system-level setting. If you need rotation later, tap the tile again to restore automatic rotation. This approach avoids per app settings and enforces portrait across the OS, which is why it's the only consistent way on many Oppo builds. Finish by closing settings and launching apps to confirm the portrait lock persists. You want to see consistent behavior across home screen, browser, and apps. If the lock fails, reboot the phone and retest the Auto Rotate tile, restarts clear sensor hiccups, and often restore expected behavior. If problems continue, go into Settings Display and look for sensor calibration or motion settings, recalibrate or toggle related features. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.